Welcome everybody. My name is Tom Altieri with UCT Coatings. We're located here in Palm City, Florida, and today we have our Vice President of Production, Marty Hartrick, and he's going to answer some questions about the plating process. Marty, tell us a little bit about your experience with plating and nickel boron.
Okay. I've been in plating for 35 years now. Been in nickel boron for about 30 years. I've been here at UCT for 12 years. In the 12 years I've been here, we've developed the process and moved on from there.
Okay, so you have a lot of experience in the plating and coating business.
Yes.
Okay, so tell us a little bit about how our plating process is different than other plating lines and so forth.
One of the things that makes our process different, we're a completely automated process.
Right.
We have mechanical automation and our chemical automation. That means our chemistry is added all the time. We have additions being made per minute. So our bath always stays at 100% concentration, which gives us a very uniform and make sure that everything's consistent in the bath.
So it's a very consistent, quality controlled process, essentially.
Right.
Okay.
This process here, in order to make it right, you have to be very consistent because you want to maintain at least a 6% nickel boron.
And how do you essentially guarantee the plating thickness, the consistency?
Well, what we actually do, we actually run rate panels every half hour. We pull a rate panel from the bath, and at that point there, we go in and with an X-ray fluorescence, we do a thickness reading on it. Then we enter that into the computer system. The computer system automatically changes the plating line to the time that you need to get your desired thickness.
Okay, and along those same lines, what about the plating composition, the formulation? What goes on there?
It's like I said, really in the nickel boron plating operation, there's three main components. We check them every half hour, but our additions are made not in bulk every half hour, but we add them they're constantly adding, so we have stuff going in every minute. So our bath will maintain it 100% on the three main ingredients that are in nickel boron.
Okay. And in terms of meeting a specific customer's needs,
okay,
how do we approach that? What do we do? Tell us a little bit about that.
All right. This here is the largest nickel boron line in the world. And our tanks are 6 feet by 6 feet by 3 feet. We can run racks that I run thousands of pieces on a rack, and we can run up to 3 racks in our plating cells. So this gives us, I can really meet any customer's needs. So I can run thousands of pieces an hour. So we also run a barrel operation here too, which I can run tens of thousands of pieces per hour.
So if a customer has a specific or a technical question, they can call you, email you, anytime, and you can give them whatever information they need and so forth?
Yeah, that is one of the things that we're really good at. I can actually do an underlayment on the nickel boron. There's a couple different things I can do with nickel boron that I offer to our customers. Customer calls me, we talk it over. We actually engineer what is best for him. So if he needs corrosion protection, I'll do one thing. If he needs wear, I'll do another. And we work very well with the customer. And then I put it onto a racking system that we know will give him his best part.
So depending on the customer's specific needs, although we have our major formulation, the EXO patented technology, but there's also underlayers or things we can do to modify it for the customer's needs.
Yeah, the top coat is always the same, the nickel boron, but there are some things I can do underneath to give us better corrosion or something like that.
Yeah, and I think a lot of people may not be aware of that, and that's good to know.
Right.
Okay, well, there you have it. Thanks, Marty, very much. If you have any specific questions about our nickel boron coating, you can refer to the information below or contact us at uctcoatings.com. Thanks, everyone.